Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on something that I am hoping is a total game changer when it comes to glue. How often do you go to get your glues out and the tips are glued shut? I don't care how well I prep. I can burp my container. I can use my stainless steel pin. I can do everything that I'm supposed to do. And I still spend about 10 minutes before I can do my project doing nothing but cleaning these out. So I ran across something last week and I thought I had to buy it. It was $34.99, but if it's a game changer and you're not buying new tips and you're not throwing your glue away and you're not taking so much extra time trying to get your project done, it might be worth it. So it is called the Precision Glue Press, and it is by a company called My Sweet Petunia. I ordered it just the other day and it actually showed up already. It probably was only 3 or 4 days, so I was pretty excited. So what comes in the box? The first thing out of the box is the glue press itself, and pretty easy to squeeze trigger, okay? Then we have a holder, and down in here you can see there's a little silicone piece down in the bottom. It comes with a full bottle of Nuvo glue, and it also comes with an empty bottle that you can put your own glue in. Now, both of these glue bottles have got a special tip on them. One is, you can see that hole is a little larger. And the second one is a little finer, if you can see that. There we go. These are interchangeable. You don't have to just use each separate bottle. These will come off and you can put it on whichever bottle you need. Now we have the standout. We have the glue press itself, and we have our empty bottle, and we have our filled bottle. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your glue and you're going to press it into the glue press, and you're going to pull up just a tiny bit on the lid so that it'll go through. And you saw kind of how it locked in. We removed the lid. The lid will sit right on the end here. I kind of like that it's got a home. And then the glue press actually sits right inside of the holder with the tip touching the silicone spot down on the bottom. Already, I like that. It's kind of like how a glue gun is. You've got a place for it to sit. So let's see how this works. Now this is the smaller of the two tips. Sometimes it's easier than trying to squeeze your bottle. And when you first start, you're going to probably have to prime this, pump it a couple of times before the glue will come out just to get it going. Well, I'm pretty pleased. I don't know about you, but I think this is pretty cool. It's easy to push. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in here, and you're supposed to be able to put this in here without the lid on it and not have it clogged. So I'm going to come back probably in a couple of hours, and I will look at this and we'll see what we think. I'll see you in a bit. Welcome back. Now we're going to check out and see how well the Precision Glue Press did. Now, I've had this on the little stand for a good couple of hours now, and I'm going to switch you down here and let's see if it actually works. Let's see if it clogged, or let's see if it flows freely. So let's look. All right, so here it is. I'm going to pull this off the stand, and woohoo, look at that. I'm pretty darn impressed. Awesome. I'm going to just wipe the tip off, and I'm going to set it right back in its holder. You know, I was just playing around with this a little bit and realized I have the Pops of Color from scrapbook.com. fit right in there. And let's see. Look at that. Now, if you're doing a whole lot of work on your cards and scrapbooking and stuff like that, this might really be kind of a good idea. And I think it came out really well. You get your nice precision dots on here. Now, it does not work with stickles, only because the bottles are not as big around. Let me show you. Unless maybe you can come up with something. See, these are a little bit rounder. These are a little bit bigger than these are. But I'm sure you could come up with some kind of really cool idea to make these work. But look around. You might have more uses for this glue press than just using the Nuvo bottle. So don't forget, think outside of the box. Well, I'm going to say it's definitely a good thing to have. No more glued up tips on your glues. No more cleaning everything. No more replacing your stainless steel tips. No more having to do all kinds of work to your glue bottles before you're even able to use them. Go to mysweetpetunia.com and you can order yours today. Once again, it is the Precision Glue Press. About $34.99, I think, is what I paid for it. It is well worth it. Make a great Christmas gift. I'll see you soon, guys. Thanks for stopping in. Bye-bye.